In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales reports with the Sales Analytics tool in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to find the right report, fine-tune it with filters, review the insights, and save or share your results. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. On the left panel, hover over the reporting icon and select Reports. Inside the Reports area, look to the left panel again and click Sales. You'll see it expand into categories like Activities and Leads, Deals, and Forecast and Revenue. Each section can be expanded further to preview the types of reports available. For this walkthrough, open Deals and choose Sales Velocity. The main area on the right will refresh to generate the report based on your current data. At the top of the report, you'll find filters such as Create Date, Date Range, and Deal Owner. Under More, you can also adjust HubSpot Team and Pipeline. If you need to refine further, click the plus icon to add quick filters from the drop-down. The more precisely you filter, especially by date range and pipeline, the more relevant and actionable your results will be. In the report itself, the first tile may show a report summary with AI insights if there's enough data. Just below, you'll see key metrics like sales velocity, average amount in your company currency, and sales win rate. Use the next arrow to view average days to close. Think of sales velocity as a combined indicator of how quickly deals move through your pipeline and how much value they create. Win rate helps you assess effectiveness, while average days to close highlights cycle length. Below the metrics is your data visualization, which updates based on the filters you set. You can toggle between overtime and totals to change the perspective. To adjust the chart style, click the field that's currently set to horizontal bar and switch to a visualization that best communicates your story. Choose something that matches your goal. Trend lines for pacing overtime, bars for quick comparisons. At the bottom, you'll find a summarized data table. Click Edit Columns to choose exactly which columns should appear. If you need more granular, row-level information for analysis, switch to the unsummarized dataset. Once you're happy with the configuration, scroll back to the top and click Save Report. Alternatively, open the Actions menu to copy the report URL for sharing or export the unsummarized data for use in spreadsheets or other tools. A clear report name and description will make it easy to find later. And that's it. You've created a focused, filterable sales report in HubSpot's Sales Analytics tool, ready to share and act on.